How to back up your website on hosting or hosting. Welcome to today's video on backing up your website on hosting or hosting. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the simple steps to create a backup of your website, ensuring your data is safe in case of any unexpected issues. To start, log in to your hosting or control panel and navigate to the Files or Files Manager section, depending on the version of your control panel. From here, you can access your website's files and folders. Next, locate the folder that contains your website's files and right-click on it. Select Create a Backup or Backup from the drop-down menu. You can also use the Backup button located in the top right corner of the Files Manager. Choose the backup method you prefer, such as a full backup or a selective backup of specific files or folders. Make sure to select the correct backup destination, such as your local computer or an external hard drive. Once you've created the backup, you can verify its integrity by checking the file sizes and contents. You can also use Hostinger's built-in backup tool to restore your website in case of any issues. To take an extra layer of protection, consider setting up automatic backups using Hostinger's Backup Scheduler. This will ensure your website is backed up regularly without requiring any manual intervention. By following these simple steps, you can rest assured that your website is backed up and secure. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more hosting tips and tricks. Don't forget to like this video if you found it informative, and we'll see you in the next one.